Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Uber's new heat map. We talked about this in July, and now it seems that is rolling out in more markets. So, Sergio, I believe you just got this in your market?
I just got it. it over the weekend.
Oh,
and I was like, actually, I did get an email from San Francisco driver. He says, Serge, did you get this? I'm like, I don't know. So I went to my app. This is in my app. So it says wait less and earn more with the Rides heat map. I'm like, okay. Well, one good thing about this, Chris, it replaced the gray maps.
Yeah, but it's a game of trickery. That's all it is. Well, because they're putting the surge colors that we've known for the last decade,
mix and match,
onto the gray clouds of doom. So now it's just the red clouds of doom. So that's what we're going to have to call it. It's the red clouds of doom, and you have to go to the purples and the pinks for the surge.
But you also have to notice something.
You might be driving on Lyft on the Uber platform.
Yeah. Well, what we have is these three signs. It looks like the sergeant or the whatever, like the
1 star, 2 star,
soldier's lapel, rank stuff. So what now, next to those signs, so the 3 arrows looking up is very busy, supposedly. It's the darkest red. It's not surge. Don't get it mixed up, folks. They did pick these colors not because they want to talk about the truth, but the point is, so 1 arrow up, let's say, and 2 arrow up and 3 arrow up, right? So the colors for those are kind of yellowish, kind of orangish, and kind of red. But surge now is purple. Okay, who has purple surge sign? Left does. But now next to those arrow ups or whatever they're called, I'm sure there's a name for it. I should ask Uber. Now there's going to be, just like Lyft has, there's going to be an estimate of when you should expect a ping. So it says soon you'll be able to see where it's busy, what wait times to expect, and areas where you could earn extra with easy to read warm colors. Well, at least the gray maps of colors or gray clouds of doom is gone. This is also our smartest map yet. Smart. The map shows estimated wait times and rider demand based on trips accepted in the last 30 minutes. It updates every 10 minutes so you can hit the road with confidence. Okay, cool. But I also sent you the small print. Could you please read this, as much as you can, please?
The heat map is intended to help you plan, but doesn't guarantee trips, earnings, or wait times. Actual earnings and wait times can vary based on conditions like time of day, location, demand, and trip length. The colored areas on the heat map show areas where estimated hourly earnings are above the citywide median. These estimated earnings are calculated with a number of factors, including median earnings and real-time supply and demand over the past 30 days of completed trips in that city. They include fares, trips, promotions, and surge, but may not reflect all local variables. The estimated wait times and extra earnings opportunities like Surge and Boost Plus shown on the heat map are based on trips accepted over the last 30-minute period and are updated every 10 minutes. These estimates may be affected by system delays and will not reflect actual real-time wait times. Potential variations in earnings and wait time show on the heat map may additionally occur when shifting between standard and advantage mode.
Yeah.
Variations in earnings and wait time shown on the heat map may additionally occur when shifting between standard and advantage. What does that tell you, Sergio?
Should I say it? My first time today? Hocus Pocus? Now Hocus Pocus is on Uber. Look, none of this is important, okay? If you're a newbie, you're definitely going to get this hook, line, and sinker without a question. He's just going to go, yep, I'm just going to go where it's red. Don't do it. That's my suggestion. If you're a veteran, you already know. You already know your honey holes. You already know your hotspots. You already know what hours to work, what days to work. You already know this. You don't need any of this garbage. But then I understand why they're doing it, because the turnover, Chris, is what, 80% in less than 8 months, right? Or 75%. So the newbies, I think they're going to like this. They're going to go, yeah, oh shit, if I go there, I'm going to earn more money. But newbies, please read the small print that Chris read. Always read the small print when it comes to these things. And they say, yeah, you're going to earn more. And then the small print says, well, it may not actually be like that. So
yeah, because they can't guarantee what's going to happen. They can only tell you what has happened.
Yeah, I don't know, man. But advantage versus standard. I need to get going and do the test on that.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.